Hi, it's Ashik here. Welcome back to my channel. Today in this lesson, I'll show you how to prepare a suspense account. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, look at the question here. There are some transactions given. We need to journalize first of all here, then we will prepare this suspense account. This is actually correction of errors. Okay, so number one, what is the first transaction? The total of purchases journal had been undercast by $950. Okay, so purchase undercasted, yeah. So to overcast purchase, we will debit purchase. Okay, so let us write here number one. So purchase account to be debited, yeah. So what is the value given in the question? It is $950. Okay, by the way, we are doing general journal. Okay, fine. Then what account to be created? So we have nothing, normal informations given in the question in the transition, so we will write the suspense because we don't know where is the mistake. Okay, then if we don't know the mistake, to balance the trial balance temporary, what we add? We add suspense account, yeah. So let us write here suspense account. Okay, with the same balance will be credited. Okay, very good. So first one is done. Okay, now we have here number two. Discount received $85 had been debited to the discount received account. So discount received is an income, and when income increases, income must be credited, but mistakenly here it is debited. So correct it. We need to credit discount receive, yeah. So let us write here discount receive. Okay, and then what will be debited here? Where is the mistake? We could not discover, the business could not discover, so we have to balance the trial balance using suspense account. Okay, fine. So what is value here? It is written $85. So how much will be here now? $85? No, it is not $85. Why? For example, you are supposed to give me $85, but mistakenly I gave you $85. So now correct it. What to do? First of all, you have to refund the money I gave you. Okay, which is $85. Second of all, you were supposed to give me $85, but still you did not give. So now you have to give me, yeah. So it is $85 again. So if you add, what is your answer? It is 170. So amount will be here 170. Okay, it's confusing, yeah. 3. Okay, have a look at the transition. A payment of rent is $150 have been correctly entered in the cash book, but recorded in the rent account is $570. What a mistake! Supposed to be $750, but mistakenly the bookkeeper or accountant wrote $570. So how much understated, or how much written in the book less? So it is here $180 written less, yeah. Now we have to write this $180 newly with new transaction. Okay, so rent is an expense. Obviously expense must be debited. It's a nominal account. Okay, do you know, by the way, the rules of debit and credit? How to understand whether this account will be debited or credited? If you don't know, I have a video on it. I'll link to this video in the I button. You can watch it. Okay, it is very helpful video. You'll understand the debit and credit. Okay, so here rent is debited because it's a nominal account. Expense, when expense increases, expense must be debited. Okay, so what is credit here? So here we will write again the suspense account. Okay, so right here suspense. So how much will you write? It is $180 debit, $180 credit. Okay, so number 3 is over. Now number 4. What is today in the question? Look at there. A purchase of office fixtures $2,300 had been recorded in the general expenses. What type of error it is? It is an error of principle. By the way, there are 6 types of error. Okay? I have video on different types of error in trial balance. You can watch it. It will help you to understand the errors. Okay, to understand the mood of the transactions when you solve this type of transactions. Okay, in correction of error chapter. So link is in the description. You can watch. Then here what happened? Then office picture was an asset, but it is recorded as an expenses. Yeah, which is general expense written in the question. So office pictures asset. So asset increases. Yeah, real account. So when asset increases, asset need to be debited. Yeah. So what is there? Office pictures $2,300. Okay, then mistakenly general expenses was debited. Okay, so recorded in the general expenses, that means it was debited. Now it must be credited. So right here general expenses. Okay, so $2,300. So we did not write here any narratives because in the question written that narratives are not required. If you want, you can write. Narratives are very easy. Just write something, copy some words from the transactions, or paraphrase the transactions given in the question. Okay, so now I'll show you the suspense account. Look here, this is suspense account. Suspense account. Okay, here we have the date, here details, here folio, dollar, same here, date, details, folio, dollars. Okay, so here these 4 columns are called debit columns, or left hand side, these are right hand side, which are called credit. Okay, so first of all we have to write balance PT. Yeah, for example, in the trial balance we have difference which is $960. Okay, now we will enter these transactions here in this account. So first of all we have here a suspense. It is in a credit side, so we will come in the credit side. Okay, so number 1, so right here purchase, what is value? $950. Okay, then number 2, here we have suspense, but it is in the debit side, so we will come in the debit side and we will write the opposite account, which is discount received. Okay, value is $170. Then we have here again suspense. Number 3, it is in the credit side, so we will go to the credit column, so we will write the opposite account. Okay, which is rent, $180. $80. Okay, so very easy. Okay, now if we add this column, it is 1130, and if you add this column, debit columns, it is also 1130. So when you write the trial balance differences and prepare this ledger's suspense account from this general journal, it must be same in terms of money in both debit and credit column. Okay, so very easy. Practice. I'll show you more questions in my next video next time, and I hope you understood this video and enjoyed, and subscribe my channel for more new videos, and until then, you stay safe. Bye bye and take care.